Introduction. Time travel has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and fiction writers for centuries. The idea of being able to travel through time and witness historical events or alter the future is both intriguing and mind-bending. In this video, we will explore the concept of time travel, and the various theories that attempt to explain it. Part 1. What is time travel? Time travel is the hypothetical ability to move backward or forward in time, usually using advanced technology or supernatural means. The concept of time travel is often associated with science fiction, but it has also been explored by physicists and philosophers as a legitimate field of study. Part 2. Time travel in fiction. Time travel has been a popular subject in fiction for many years. Some of the most well-known examples include H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, which popularized the concept of a time machine, and the Back to the Future film series, which explored the idea of altering the past to change the future. Part 3. Time travel in physics. While time travel may seem like a far-fetched concept, some physicists believe that it could be possible. One of the most well-known theories of time travel is based on Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, time is not constant, but rather it can be affected by gravity and the speed at which an object is traveling. Part 4. Theories of time travel. There are several theories that attempt to explain time travel, including the following. Wormholes. Wormholes are hypothetical tunnels that connect different points in spacetime. Some scientists believe that it may be possible to use a wormhole to travel through time. Time dilation. Time dilation is a phenomenon that occurs when time moves slower in a strong gravitational field or at high speeds. If an object were to travel close to the speed of light, time would move slower for that object relative to an observer on Earth. Multiverse theory. The multiverse theory suggests that there are multiple universes, each with its own timeline. Some scientists believe that it may be possible to travel between these universes, which would allow for time travel. Causal loops. Causal loops occur when an event in the future causes an event in the past, which then causes the same event to occur in the future. This creates a loop that is self-sustaining, and it is often used in science fiction as a way to explain time travel. Part 5. Challenges of time travel. While the idea of time travel is fascinating, it also presents several challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the possibility of creating paradoxes, such as the grandfather paradox, where someone travels back in time and accidentally prevents their own birth. Another challenge is the concept of causality, which states that every event has a cause and effect. If someone were to travel back in time and alter an event, it could have unintended consequences that ripple through time. Conclusion? Time travel may still be a theoretical concept, but it has captured the imagination of people around the world for centuries. While we may never be able to travel through time, the theories and ideas surrounding time travel continue to inspire and intrigue us. Who knows what new discoveries and insights we may uncover as we continue to explore the mysteries of time and the universe.